So it's been a while since I wanted to record this video. It is something that I struggle a lot, and I still do. And once I realized how these things are really important to ourselves, it just made me completely change how I see these things. If you see I'm like looking down, it's because I wrote everything that I wanted to say in my notebook, because this way I don't get lost, which happens a lot. So yeah. But I would just share a little background information and I don't know, this experience that I had that made me realize what I wanted to say in this video. So one day I was just feeling pure joy. I had just discovered this band and I was just like really loving all their songs. It was really great, like a great moment. But then suddenly something clicked in my head and it was like I was doing something wrong. I started to thinking about everyone that wasn't feeling as good as I was, as happy as I was, and everyone that was suffering, feeling unhappy, and even in the middle of a war. So the feeling of happiness just vanished away and it was replaced with a sad one. I went from pure joy to complete sadness in like 2 seconds. And I believe everything in life happens for a reason, and it ended up teaching us something. And with this thing, it wasn't different. I ended up realizing that being sad wasn't doing any good to these people and even to myself. So what was the point? The truth is that there is nothing wrong with being happy. You don't need to give up your own happiness to others. It doesn't mean you're selfish. It doesn't mean you're a bad person because you're not thinking about them, because you actually are. You deserve it as much as anyone in this planet. I believe that once you allow yourself to be happy, you also allow yourself to make other people feel good. You kind of want them to feel the way you do. So it's like a contagious thing. It's like happiness irradiates. What I'm saying is that once you're happy, once you allow yourself to feel happy, you also allow yourself to share the happiness with others. Being sad, it doesn't help anyone. I mean, it's really important to empathize and being compassionate about others. Of course, it's really important. I'm not saying for you to be selfish or anything like that, but I think you deserve to feel happiness, because happiness is something that will go away. Happiness doesn't last forever. It doesn't last forever for me, it doesn't last forever for you, it doesn't last forever for anyone. So why not take that moment and, I don't know, feeling it with all your heart and just enjoying it. There's nothing wrong with it, believe me. I also believe that society plays a big, really important role in this topic. We are constantly being put down because the way we dress, the way we look, how we talk or what we talk, and even what we do. So it's like we are never good enough, never. So it doesn't matter what you do, it doesn't matter how you look, it doesn't matter what you say, you're never good enough. There's always someone judging you, there's always someone making you feel bad and like you don't fit the norms. So for me to realize that, and that I don't want to be part of it, it took a long time, but it's like refreshing and it makes me free. Like I feel free to just be who I am and express myself the way I want to, and just don't care about what other people think of you. So with that being said, I think we need to love ourselves by who we really are and not rely the happiness on someone else and someone else's opinion, because that isn't worth it, believe me. that isn't worth it. Also, the only person you're going to be with the rest of your life is yourself. So why not love it with all your heart? I know it is easier to say it than actually do it. I know it. You're not gonna like suddenly love yourself and do all these things, but once you live each day slowly and you take time for it, I think it's a process and you will get there. There will be bad days and there will be good days. But if you're walking towards that direction, then I guess that's a great thing. I'm sorry if there are a lot of noises in here. I just chose to record this video on a really windy day. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so where was I? So I know allowing yourself to be happy may be something like easy to some of you or to someone or just a few people in this world, but to me it's not. And I guess there are like people that feel the same. So I used to struggle with a lot, and I still do. So I hope this video help people that are facing the same things that I am. I think what I'm really trying to say with this video is that everyone is worth it. Everyone deserves happiness and feeling good. We all do. So allow yourself to be happy. There's nothing wrong with it and you are worth it. So thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'm sorry if I'm like kind of shy and I don't know, my English is not perfect. First, it's because English is not my native language, and also because I don't have a lot of videos on this channel like talking, so I'm still getting used to it, but I want to make more videos, just like talking random things and things that I've learned in my few years of life, but I think it will help someone, and bye!